Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be sharing 3 very quick and simple budget-friendly Christmas DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. For the first DIY, I had gotten inspired by a decor piece that I saw from Hobby Lobby, which is this one, but I thought it was a little bit too pricey, so I said why not just make it myself and make it more my style and for half the price. So for the second DIY, it was super simple and easy to make. I just went ahead and covered the back of the tree with some ribbon. The plaid red and black one, I got it from the Dollar General for only $1, and the polka dotted burlap is from the Dollar Tree. So I'll be using these magnolia leaves large bouquet that I got from Walmart for only $3.47. I went ahead and used the bright metallic spray paint to cover these two items. And also, I just went ahead and added some snow spray to the magnolia leaves. Once they were done drying, I simply just went ahead and used an ivory chalk paint to cover over it. So that way, once they were done drying, I will be sanding them down to give it a little more of a detail. To glue the stand and the bowl, I just went ahead and used some E6000 and some hot glue. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.